Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can grow huge plants and grow a garden game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to grow huge plant, you can use sprinkler method and grow a garden. So you need to get the sprinkler first. Go to the gear shop and then here you can buy the sprinkler. There are the basic sprinkler and then advanced sprinkler, godly sprinkler, master sprinkler, and the last one, the most powerful sprinkler, is the grand master sprinkler. Okay, I have already bought all these sprinklers, so now it's time to grow huge plants. So guys, I'm going to apply it to my wild pineapple. Okay, make sure that you collect the fruit first before you put on the sprinkler, because I think the sprinkler will not work for the for the plant which is already grown, completely grown, okay. And I'm going to apply the basic sprinkler. Okay, I'm going to apply all the sprinkler, and the next one is the advanced sprinkler. Okay, and you can see the radius of the sprinkler, and the next one, the godly. Okay, I'm going to place it here, and the master. Okay, and also grandmaster sprinkler. But I don't want to use my grandmaster sprinkler guys, because it will be huge without the grandmaster sprinkler. But it's up to you guys. The more sprinklers you apply, the bigger fruit you will have. Okay, and I think you will know from this result guys. This coil vine, it's already big, and yeah, just wait for the other plants to grow huge. Okay guys, and that's how you can grow huge plants and grow a garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.